Hello everybody, I am Swarnodip and welcome to Swarnodip 2.0 seconds video. Swarnodip 2.0 second video. So let's go guys. And today guys we are gonna doing a morning train journey in this Indian train crossing 3D game. Okay. So we're gonna having guys watch till ending we're gonna make a lot of fun. So guys, what happened? I have a friend called I can't say his name. So I have a friend, and today guys we're gonna meet our friend by today. I'm gonna go into his house and meet him. But guys, I can't show you where he lives or he will get upset. So guys, we are going to pick up a train. Okay, what's it written? Railway junction. Nice. Okay, guys. We're just waiting for a train to come. Thank God. Let's guys park our car here, and let's wait for a train to come here. So, guys, I'm checking the new, I think the railway junction one. So, what about? So guys, let's see what. So guys, I can see over there a train is coming, which is I think it had a green locomotive and a blue coaches. I think it's arriving very super slowly. So guys, we're gonna wait here, cause oh my god, guys. It's coming super slowly. Dang it, guys. Dang it. It's super slow. Okay, guys, I've been waiting for so long, man. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you. Here it is. Hi, Sarah. This is, guys, the train is arriving. The train is arriving. Oh my god, guys, it's so slow, man. Come very quickly, bruh. But guys, I'm not gonna journey on this train. I'm gonna journey in this line, in the middle line, like this line. The middle, and we have two platforms. I'm gonna journey in this line. In front of me, guys, this line. There's the train has arrived. Guys, I can see two trains are coming. Let's guys do something funny, bruh. Oh no, guys! Oh no, guys! Bullshit! Dang it, guys! Dang it! Oh no, guys! Oh no! So, guys, we're gonna taking another train. Okay, what? Okay, this train. Okay. Oh my god, guys. This train is going very slowly. And this train, guys, I don't know, guys, what's gonna happen to this train because the dead end is here. I think, guys, this train is gonna be terminated. Yeah, it's terminated here. So this train, I think, is gonna be, guys, terminated here. Oh, dang it, guys. Bullshit. Why there's guys, a speedy train is coming. Dang it, bruh. There's a speedy train. We're just crossing the station. Dang it, wow. Wow, guys. Very nice crossing. It was a very nice crossing. Okay, somebody's coming, guys. But, hey, guys. Hey, why are you not departing, bruh? You should be departing. I'm getting late for my friend's house, bruh. dang it, guys. This train is guys not coming. Let's check, guys. Okay, this is... Oh, guys. Damn, guys. Okay, I think this is our train's horn. Whoa, guys. Okay, guys, it's not our train's horn. It's that old green train's horn. Oh, no, guys. Oh, no, guys. We are going very late. Our train is going very late. Guys, my mission was to go in this track, but due to I did do some horrifying accidents. That's why I had to choose this train in front of me. This train, this blue train. So guys, we're gonna wait here for a while, and let's wait for. Oh my goodness, what is because the green signal was. Let's check behind. Let's go behind. Did something happen to this train, Mr. Train? And guys, I'm like confused. Where is the train, guys? Like, where's the train? Where is the train which is gonna pick us up? Okay, guys, I can't understand, guys, what to do now. Cause what to do, dude? Cause guys, this train is not coming. Listen. Can you go, man? You're a very delayed train, bro. I don't know, guys, why this train is not going anywhere. Do I need to check what's happening? I think, guys, this train getting an overtake. I'm getting an overtake train. So you will get an overtake, dang it. And we are going very late, guys. So I need to pick a... Wait a second, guys. Wait a second. Train is... Guys, I can see a locomotive. A locomotive with... Okay, guys, so our train is standing here, and let's see who will get the priority. Come here, good train. Not good train, it's a freight train. So, hi, Mr. Freight. How are you? I'm doing fantastic. Okay, guys. Oh no, guys, did something happen to this train? Okay, it's nothing, guys. It's nothing. Nothing has happened. So guys, this is guys the end part. This is I think guys I heard this thing called caboose. So let's see, guys, who will get the most priority. This train over there, or us. This goods train. Let's rate. Let's just wait here for a while. Let's sit on it. Let's sit on this train. And guys, if this train guys blow his horn, guys, if you know the good train horn is very loud, so please guys close your ears because it really hurts. Guys, it's taking so long. Why, guys? Why, guys? It's taking too long. God damn it, freight train! Your horn is so loud. Okay, guys, this train is departing. Oh, guys, also I heard a horn. I don't know which is it. Is it gonna be a crossing? Come on, freight train! You doing? Oh no, guys, my FPS is, guys, literally dropping now. Guys, you can see my FPS are very low now. Guys, I'm very scared. Is there any another train is coming? Like, I'm trying to see. Is there any train is coming? So bye bye, passenger train. Bye bye, passenger train. I will meet you in sooner. Okay, this is guys the AC coach. Oh, yo guys, there's another yellow train is coming. There a new yellow train is coming, and we're gonna overtake this blue train. Okay. So let's say bye to this train. So bye bye train. Bye bye, Mr. Vamfor. Yeah, guys, I think this locomotive called Vamfor. So bye bye Vamfor. Bye bye. So guys, I noticed these locomotives have their own name. Like this, when I say Vamfor. This is a locomotive name. Dang it, guys, we just accident a lot there. And you're gonna see two locomotives. The locomotives are derailed because we just destroyed them. Holy man. What is it saying in Hindi? Okay, it's saying in Hindi, and I think this is guys saying air brake. I don't know guys what this air brake means. Yo guys! Wait a second guys, I want to show you something. Is that guys a bridge? No way guys, I just see a bridge. This is a nice bridge, guys. This is a nice bridge. Yo, we just crossed over the bridge. I don't know, guys. Why is our train getting very slow now? Okay guys, look at this. There's a train is coming too. Oh, ew guys, what the frick just happened, guys? Guys, did you see that? The blue train got disappeared. I don't know guys why the train got disappeared. Guys, I know this, guys. Our train is, guys, accelerating very fast, guys. Our train is accelerating very fast. What's the signal? Okay, double yellow. Double yellow. Okay guys, I don't know where's my station, but I think you need to be very patient. Oh, dang it guys. Because when you guys gonna reach our station, it's still taking so long. Guys, I noticed something. Our train's speed is getting very low now. Guys, it's taking so long, bruh. It's taking so long. It will take a whole year to come to get my station. Okay, guys, my station is here. Okay, guys, let's get ready for jump because we are reaching our station now. Okay guys, my station is here guys. Yeah. So guys, I'm guys going to my friend's house, so let's go guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure like and subscribe, and I can make more content for you. Okay, guys? I'll meet you in the next video. So, bye-bye, guys. Sayonara and bye-bye.